to give you the blessings. From now onwards, you with thanks. You'll never lose. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to meet you. We're gonna see each other more often from now going forward. Thank you for so much to get an opportunity to meet you.
Yo molweni namgelekile nonke kwezichisabe entertainment. So the video endinifakele yona at the beginning of this video is the cause of yonke ke lento eyenzakalayo currently between ke uNdlunkulu Queen Nomzamo Myeni and owakwakhe uKing Misuzulu kaZwelithini, guys. And unfortunately zininzi ke izinto ebezithetha kula viral video yakhe whereby benika andazi noba ndizothi zi-insult, but yo, it was just too much, guys. Ivideo ke ndiye nda-uploada izolo apho ke ebe-insulta uNdlunkulu Myeni ke, guys. Unfortunately uye wafake ke nabakwaShembe and went on to accuse iwife yakhe into yoba njengoba nje ethanda kangaka ukuya ecaweni, it's because ukhona ke utata ahlekisana naye. In fact benzelana kwaphayana ke ecaweni ke. Unfortunately ke uShembe, the church has been trending ever since again, and this is the reason as to why ke King Misuzulu released the official statement and the apology. I honestly thought yonke into izoba in Zulu, guys. That's why it's a story ndisirelease kule page and not my official page. But ke official statement is written in English and ke ihamba kanje namba oluhlobo. I'm so sorry, guys, but andizotranslator. I hope nizongixolela. Just for today, it's too lengthy. So ihamba kanjena, guys. The office of His Majesty uMisuzulu has noted with profound concern the circulation of private video recordings depicting uMisuzulu in personal interactions with members of the royal family, including owakwakhe uNomzamo Myeni. The recordings were circulated publicly without the knowledge or the consent of King Misuzulu and related to conversation that occur within a private family setting. It is important to clarify that the recordings are historical in nature and they do not represent the present circumstances within the royal household. Their circulation on the 9th of July of 2026 occurred while His Majesty King Misuzulu and owakwakhe uNomzamo were jointly undertaking official duties at Kwakhangela Makengane Royal Palace, sorry guys, where they received a delegation from Build One South Africa led by Mrs. Mainmani. The continued participation of His Majesty and Her Majesty in official engagements together reflects their shared commitment to the institution of the Zulu monarchy and to the service of the nation. It is also, or rather, it also demonstrates that the difficult circumstances portrayed in the recordings belongs to a period that has since been overtaken by reconciliation, reflection, and the continued fulfillment of their responsibilities. Okay, notwithstanding the private and historical nature of the recordings, His Majesty acknowledges that certain expressions made during an emotionally charged moment fell short of the dignity, restraint, and decorum that the nation rightfully expects from its monarch. His Majesty recognizes that the words spoken have caused pain, disappointment, embarrassment, as well as disquiet among members of the royal family, Amakhosi, the royal household, religious leaders, and a broader Zulu nation. His Majesty deeply regrets the hurt caused by his utterances and humbly asks those who were affected to receive his sincere expression of remorse. He acknowledges that leadership carries an enduring responsibility to demonstrate wisdom, patience, and respect, even during moments of personal difficulty. They further go on to say that this expression of regret does not diminish the dignity of the throne. Rather, it reflects His Majesty's understanding that true leadership also requires humility, accountability, and the courage to acknowledge when one's conduct has caused pain to others. In keeping with the values of respect, reconciliation, and dialogue that have guided the Zulu kingdom for generations, King Misuzulu has dispatched a delegation of senior royal house elders to then engage with Unyazi Lwezulu of the Nazareth Baptist Church. The delegation has been instructed to formally convey His Majesty profound regret regarding the unfortunate utterances made during that private exchange and to reaffirm the deep and enduring respect that His Majesty and the Zulu throne hold for Unyazi Lwezulu and the Nazareth Baptist Church. His Majesty further hopes that his sincere expression of regret will be received in the spirit in which it is offered, and that those who have been hurt will find it within their hearts to accept his remorse. His Majesty remains committed to preserving the dignity, unity, as well as integrity of the royal household and the Zulu kingdom. He further remains committed to fostering reconciliation, mutual respect, and constructive dialogue among all those who serve the nation. The office of His Majesty the King respectfully encourages the public to consider the full context in which historical material is introduced into the public domain and to assess His Majesty's leadership through his continued conduct, service to the nation, and commitment to the unity and the dignity of the Zulu kingdom, you guys. Yeah, it was a lengthy, very lengthy apology there. But yeah, guys, that is what has been posted from the office of uKing Misuzulu. So yeah, guys, ndizocela ukuma apho for now. Nani niyazivela kwi-official statement. Number one, i-video ngiyakudala and uMisuzulu as well as uNdlunkulu Myeni, they have reconciled because recently siye sababona ke bekwi-event bebo babini bebukeka bejabulile. But there are people that have come forward to question indoba, could it be that uMisuzulu continued even after that historical video, continued to verbally and emotionally abuse uNomzamo Myeni in private? Could it be the reason as to why this then video, now most viral video, was then released? Because i-video ye-Kaizer Chiefs siyayibona indoba it was taken way back ke ngo-2025. So why then ke ngoku ezotrenda ngoku? Could it be that he never stopped ke verbally and emotionally abuse umntana bantu? Guys, maske engage on the comments and ngizonibona shortly. Bye guys.